The sun was out, it wasn't windy. It was the first time this week I've really gotten some video. And sitting at the far end of the cove, a great blue heron was just kind of hanging out. Over on the other side of the river, over by East Providence, there was a large flock of seagulls, and they were flying around. Usually when they're doing this, it means there's food around, but I didn't see any of them heading down to the water really, so I don't really know exactly what caused it, but it was pretty interesting to watch for a little while. On my way home, I ran into the flock of turkeys, and I watched them cross the road. Then I realized that there were more of them around, and so I switched scenes, and after these four, I looked at the ones in the distance. And while I was watching this turkey, a red-tailed hawk swooped by. I did not get that on film, but it swooped right by them, flew right past me, and landed in this tree. It sat on that branch for less than a minute. I filmed it. You'll see the whole time it was there. I mean, I got it from right when it started, and it's a 50-second clip. And then eventually it decides to take off and flies right back by me. I catch it taking off, but I did not catch what it did after that. But what happened was it flew right by me and went at the turkeys again. And I'm thinking, how can a bird that small, and then hawks aren't that small, think that it's going to be able to catch a turkey? It did not catch a turkey, but then there was a much larger flock over in the distance, and I watched that for a while, and occasionally you'll hear them calling, and then we'll call it good day.